Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect HubSpot to Zoom, full guide step by step clearly. To connect HubSpot to Zoom, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the dashboard and click on the Marketplace icon in the main navigation bar. In the Marketplace, select App Marketplace from the drop-down menu. Use the search bar to type in Zoom and hit Enter to find the integration. Once you find the Zoom integration, click on it to open the Details page. On the Zoom integration page, click on the Install App button. You will be prompted to log into your Zoom account. Enter your Zoom credentials and click Sign In. You may need to authorize HubSpot to access your Zoom account. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant the necessary permissions. After authorization, you will be redirected back to HubSpot. Choose the specific Zoom settings you want to enable, such as meeting types and notifications. Once you've adjusted settings to your preference, click on the Save button. Your HubSpot account is now connected to Zoom. Test the integration by scheduling a Zoom meeting through HubSpot. Navigate to the Sales or Marketing tool in HubSpot to create your meeting. Select Meetings and choose Schedule a Meeting. Fill in the meeting details and select Zoom as the meeting platform. You should see a confirmation that the Zoom meeting is set up. Congratulations, you have successfully connected HubSpot to Zoom. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.